Hello everybody, welcome to the Art of Tuning In. I'm Maria Furlano. It's great to have you here today, and I want to tell you about a workshop, a 5-week live and online workshop that I have coming up really soon on April 3rd. It's called Personal Peace, and we are going to learn really wonderful, gentle, loving, really feel-good ways to align our energy, to reset our energy, to ground our energy. If you don't know me, I'm a physician of Chinese medicine. I specialize as a doctor of medical Qigong, and I'm also a spiritual intuitive. For over 20 years, I've worked with people, teaching them how to align their energy, release stagnant energy, and teaching them how to restore their energy. And this course in Personal Peace is going to help people do just that, and the goal is so that they can put it into their real life and use at will and vitalize their energy. We've been through so much stress, and we've been through a lot of physical health stress as well. And Qigong exercises allow us to be able to not only restore ourselves, but to also clear what it is we might be holding on to. So I'd love to invite you to this workshop. As a bonus, you're going to be getting 3 months access to an online portal with all of the live recordings so that you can actually integrate this on a daily basis, if you'd like to, into your lifestyle. That's what's most important to me, that you're able to use this work. And as another bonus, I'd like to let you know that for all of my subscribers, if you go to theartoftuningin.com and you subscribe to the newsletter, subscribers automatically receive a discount on every workshop that I offer. So if you go to theartoftuningin.com, you'll get that discount in an email, and I'd love for you to check out all of the information. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I'm a real person. I love answering your questions. I'd love to meet you inside the workshop and support you. theartoftuningin.com, and we're going to be moving into Personal Peace, 5-week online plus live workshop beginning April 3rd. I will see you there. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.